Ever wondered why ultra-thin PU hair systems achieve such a realistic, skin-like finish your clients absolutely love? Today, we're giving you a quick look at the hidden step that makes all the difference. Before hand ventilation begins, our technicians apply a water-soluble stabilizing layer to the thin PU base. This temporary coat keeps the material steady, allowing ultra-precise knotting and protecting the delicate PU from tearing. It's the key to creating fine, natural-looking results your customers expect. Applying this coating requires deep experience. Too thick, the needle can't penetrate. Too thin, the PU tears. Our craftsmen use a controlled multi-layer technique to ensure perfect balance. After the hair is fully ventilated, the entire piece is soaked in warm water, washed repeatedly, and cleaned by hand. Timing varies by base type. The stabilizing layer dissolves completely, leaving the PU soft, flexible, and undetectably natural. Every step is fully handcrafted, ensuring the PU returns to its original clarity and gives your clients the most natural look possible. This is the unseen craftsmanship that elevates the quality of every PU hair system you order. Want consistent results for your clients? Stick with professional manufacturing. Stick with Bono Hair.